Hello everyone, and welcome back to another quick how-to video. Today we're going to be talking about dispatcher alerts and how to activate them and how to clear them from one order. So all you have to do is when you're in your admin backend, navigate to the settings tab. From here, on the left hand side, you will look for dispatcher alerts. Finally, once you click on that, by default some of these are going to be turned on, some of these are going to be turned off, and we'll go from top to bottom. So when dispatcher clicks on delivered button, trigger a confirmation pop-up. This means, like, do you want to make sure that this is actually delivered so you don't have to go back and revert the changes if this is a mistake. So this is just like one extra step to do. Then we have enable dispatcher alerts. So if you want to have them even function, you would do this tab right here. Then we have pull dispatcher alert orders to the top, so they always show on the top of your dispatch list no matter what the filter is sorting through. The dispatcher alert orders are always going to be up top. Then we also have order alerts. So duplicate order alert is super useful because if a user orders twice within 30 minutes, it's going to give a message that's going to say, hey, this might be a duplicate. The customer may be reordered without their knowledge, so it's always good to check. Then we have advanced order notifier. This is useful for very large catering orders. Then we have coupon code usage. This is very good in order to catch if somebody's making multiple accounts and using the same code, and so on and so forth. Then we have restaurant alerts. This one is particularly useful for drivers. The restaurant closing soon will tell you 30 minutes before the restaurant is closing, and if the order hasn't been placed with the restaurant yet. Then we have order logic decline order alerts. So if a restaurant receives an order on their order logic app on their tablet, you will get a pop-up that says, hey, this order has been declined by the restaurant. You know, figure something out, like why did they cancel it? Are they missing any food? Did they run out of something? Are they not doing deliveries tonight? And there's a bunch of different cases that this feature is useful for. Then we have the driver alerts, driver checkout. Like if a driver checks out when they have an order, it's going to give an alert on that order. And then we also have a missing driver when there are no longer any drivers in the market. And then we have no driver checked in alert. So this will say, hey, we have orders, but we don't have any drivers checked in. And then new driver indicator. This is going to say if a driver has been created in the system in the last 5 days, meaning he's a newbie, meaning that he might need help with the orders he's on, and so on. And then we also have driver additional tip alert, right? So if an order has been added through DeliverLogic app by the driver, there's going to be alert just in case there is fraud on the driver side, and to clarify anything with the customer if needed. Now, in order to clear dispatch alerts, we know how to set all of these up, and then once you choose the settings you want to see, just go ahead and hit save all settings. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you what dispatcher alert looks like and how to clear it. So as you can see here, we have an order that's completely red. That means there's a dispatch alert on it and it jumped up top. So now we can hover over it and we have two alerts. One is a fraud alert, and that's going to be a separate video, but we have dispatcher alerts. So this dispatcher alert says that the restaurant is closing soon. So in order to clear this, first try to verify the problem and solve it before you start clearing it so you don't forget about it, because if you have 20, 30, 40 orders on the board, it might pass you, you might forget about it, and it's not going to be good. So before you clear it, make sure you check the order, see what's going on when the restaurant is closing, and once you do that, go ahead and close it and right click on the order, and then you have clear fraud alerts. Now be careful, this is clear fraud alerts, and then all the way down you have clear dispatcher alerts. So once we hit that, the dispatch board is gonna refresh and we got it cleared off. As you can see, there's still a fraud alert there, and if you want to clear that as well, just right click, clear fraud alerts, and you're done. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.